I'm packing for a weekend at my parents' house, and this is me packing my personal items bag. And so I'm starting with one of the base clear bags for my makeup. And you can see how much fits in there, and it fits in there nice and neat. I'm able to take my basics with me so that I can comfortably do my makeup the way that I want to. And you can see it's clear on both sides. It's got a little handle if you want it. And then I'm packing my Freshen bag, which has Clorox wipes to wipe things down on the plane, shout wipes for any clothing mishaps, hand wipes, and breath freshener, and then also some balm that I use for lotion as well. And there's a mirror in there too. And now I'm packing my liquids bag, and it's amazing how much fits in here. I've got all my shampoos, my facial cleansers, my eye drops, my primer gel, lotions, serums. It all fits, and they're all little travel sizes, hairspray and um, dry shampoo, and it all zips up. And I'm set with my liquids bag. And now I have a cute little thing to show you. This is a little mini weekender bag charm that I'm going to put my AirPods in. So cute, so adorable. It just hangs right off your bag. And then I've got the mini bag roller charm, and this is going to be great for any like ibuprofen, Tylenol, any little tiny things, even little earrings or jewelry that you would want to put in here. And again, it's just so cute, and that just attaches right to your bag. This is actually the first time I'm using the mini weekender bag. I have used the East West tote and the expandable backpack. So let's see if I can fit all my personal items in here. I do like it that it's smaller than the East West bag, easier to fit under that front seat. And you can see all my clear bags are fitting in there. This is my underwear and sock bag. I always bring extra in my personal item bag. This is my bathroom bag with Clorox wipes, flushable wipes, which of course you wouldn't flush on the airplane. Anything to kind of freshen, make your bathroom experience good, and that's from Travelon. This is your base wristlet that you can put your cards, your ID in. I think I would put that in my side pocket. My noise canceling headphones, and then I'm bringing my iPad and my Kindle. And then I have a little stress ball that I always like to have with me, and then my tech bag. So I've got some chargers in here. I've got a notebook, a pen, some more Kleenex, and that all fits in the side. And let's see if we can zip this up. This is what I'm going to put my jewelry in, my rings and bracelets. And yep, it is zipping. I'm so excited. And then there is a zipped pouch underneath. And since I am going up north and it's that time of year with snow and cold, I have my North Face parka, packable parka packed in the bottom. I probably could fit a pair of shoes in there still too with that. But this is my personal item bag. I have my Lululemon water bottle attached to it, and I am ready. This will fit right on my carry-on roller as well.